It's fucking snowing again. I can't bear this anymore. It's too much. Okay, good morning everyone. It's day 4 here at Lachung. It's around 8 in the morning and we are going to leave by another half an hour or so. Can you hear that noise? Well, I'll show you the view from here. The plan today is to visit Zero Point. After Zero Point we will do around 150 kilometers till Lachen. We are at Lachung right now. The temperature is around 8 degree or 9 degrees Celsius roughly. It's very cold out here. And I know I look very sleepy because I just woke up about half an hour back. We had tea and now we'll have breakfast over here. And yeah, so the first thing in the morning that we saw after the sun rose is this. Just look at that. I know the camera can't capture this part properly due to the clouds, but just look at this. It's amazing. And there's a waterfall right down there which I'll show you. This jagah mast hai. See. Arey yaar, focus karo na. Yeah. That is a waterfall which comes right all the way through here from there. So yeah, we are planning to leave in about another half an hour or maybe 1 hour. It's been a good journey so far. Day 4 has not yet begun, but it will begin in a few moments. So I hope you will like the video. That particular area, that is just amazing. So yeah, yesterday it was like around 8:30 or 9 by the time we reached the hotel. So now I'll just see you guys once we are on the road. We'll just cold start our engines, we'll refuel, we'll check for any issues, smallish minor issues, and then we'll leave in about another half an hour or so. So yeah, let the day 4 begin. Chalo. Ho 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 ho. So we are leaving now. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Yeah, we are a bit late because everything had to be set up, tire pressure, lubing and everything. Hello, Tumi. Okay, so we are leaving right now. It's 10:49. Isko adjust kar lo bhaiya. And the weather is good. The weather is all good today. It's all sunny, so that will be a good thing. That is a good sign actually, because yesterday it was raining whole night till Mangan and Chumthang. So welcome to day 4. Today it is Zero Point and Lachen. I hope you'll enjoy this video too. I hope you enjoyed the previous videos. I have invested as much time as possible. We had a breakfast, we had chai, lots and lots of chai and bread and jam. We deliberately are leaving late because we have a lot of time in our hand and we can maneuver and work with the time. So there is no need to hurry, no need to rush. Total kilometer done is 805. So what I have heard is the roads are very good right now till 0 point. That's what I have heard. Now let's see, we will get to see eventually. I hope everything is visible properly because we can't miss this, right? Reinflating the tires did a very good job. I mean, the bike is much more stable right now. Oh, there are small smileys over there, right over there, painted on the walls of those homes. Approaching Lachung, but we did cross Lachung, right? That is amazing. Just wait and watch till we get to 0 point, and when we cross Yumthang, that view will be amazing, I'm damn sure. But I did forget to bring my Bolt charger also today. It was lying around on the bed. I forgot to pick it up. So, but I do have extra batteries. So my camera is full charged right now. I have 2 extra batteries. The main Nikon, I charged it up this morning also. So that will do for today. Yeomthang is 23 kilometers from here, and Zero is another 20 or 19 kilometers from Yeomthang. Okay, so wow, just wow, enormous. Temperature would be roughly around 12 or 15 degrees Celsius. Yesterday it was like 7 degrees Celsius at night, that too around 9:30 or 10. It dropped even more at night, maybe around 4 or 5 degrees. The temperature will drop after crossing Yeomthang rigorously, so you have to look out for that also. So yeah, once we are done here, I'll just, I'll skip forward till to the moment where we are done with everything and we'll be headed on the road. By that time, let's enjoy this view. It's all clear today, by the way. There's no black clouds or anything. So that's a good sign actually. There'll be no rain. At least I can hope for till afternoon there'll be no rain. So let's see after that क्या होता है. হয়ে গেছে, কিছু নিতে হবে না তো? ওইটা তো নিয়ে নিল। वो ले लिया आपने, ये भी ले लीजिए, ये क्या करेगा? चलो, we are done with the permit and now let's leave. Okay, so as you saw, we just crossed Lachung checkpost, did all the paperwork. This was the 4th checkpost in day 4. 3 checkposts we crossed yesterday after Gangtok, and today is the 4th one, and another 4 to go for north. That fall looks amazing, man. So this is the whole army camp type of area. Some kind of a stage or anything, I guess. Well, it's an open land over here. There are these small signs which say keep smiling, then there's a yellow smiley over it. That looks amazing. That is so encouraging, because anything can happen over here. Soptorsi আর রঞ্জিত দার আওয়াজ শুরু হয়েছে। Shit, man. Thank you, Dada. That's the first time I got stuck here, and I don't know how many more are going to be. I had to stop. So the clouds are literally coming towards us. I think we will be in above the clouds in a few minutes. So the time now is 11:30 and kilometers are 820 roughly. That is all the way from the Kinesha till this point. It's 820. Another 14 kilometers to go for Yumthang and Shingba Rhododendron Sanctuary. Okay. What happened to the flora over here? Yeah, scientific, because there was a board written fauna diversity and flora diversity. By the way, Orazo, if you are listening, this is rigorous testing going on of your shoes, and if this fails, there is nothing sadder than this that can happen. Sadder, is it a word even? Still about an hour or so from here. So time is 11:40. It will take around another hour maybe maximum. That is amazing. So I hope you are enjoying the video so far, and well, I would say one thing, this place is really gorgeous. I mean, the chance that I have got to visit this exact particular place, oh my god, there is snow. The chance that I've got that I can visit this place with my friends on my motorcycle is very much for me. I didn't deserve all this, but still I'm thankful to you, God, that I'm able to do this. Okay, so the battery is running low. I might have to change the battery, and here we are at Yumthang, altitude 12,000 feet from the sea. We have another, I guess, 15 or something odd kilometers from here. Let's see कितना टाइम लगता है. This is the most beautiful thing you would get. That is great actually. So there is this market at Yumthang where you will get all the goodies, winter goods like jackets, gloves, liners, anything, etc., caps and all. So you can go there if you're not carrying anything, or if you forget to carry anything which you need at the winter, because make sure you carry good amount of clothes. If you're on a bike, then make sure you carry a thermal liner for a must. You can starting to see the snow. That looks amazing, man. They are way behind. Okay, let's stop for a photo. I would be stopping to click some pictures over here. And see, this is very beautiful, looking very beautiful. Okay, I'll just click some pictures and then I'll see you guys then. Well, as you can see, there is zero visibility of the scene right now, and we are at 14,000 feet above sea level and climbing. We just crossed on that place called Yusam Dongpong, whatever it is, I can't pronounce it properly. My hands are all cold right now. I have to buy that winter gloves. The temperature will be easily around 4 to 5 degrees. Well, I will check if I get any network service above at 0 point. I will definitely check what's the temperature there, and snow is starting to be visible from here. Dheere dheere. After all this climbing and all this riding, here comes the snow. What we all wanted. This is gorgeous. This is just amazing. Snow lying around on both sides of the road. Oh, we thought that we wouldn't get snow at all, considering this April month. It's getting all cloudy up here and we can't see anything. For now the visibility is okay, but if the clouds become more strong and dense, then it's going to be difficult, because in the morning time or in the daytime the LEDs don't work that good. What the fuck? I can't see anybody. Not even the lights. Seems like this place is zooming out from here. Yeah, literally this place is seeming like zooming out. Yeah, there they are. Yeomthang. What? Yeomthang is 27 kilometers. Snowing, man. Fuck, the camera. Is the camera? Damn it, it's snowing right now. I thought it was raining. Sala. It's a hailstorm. My God, my hands are frozen. আমার কথা কথা আটকে যাচ্ছে। ও গরম তো। I'll get back to you guys once I'm on the road, because it's very difficult out here. It's 2 in the afternoon. We haven't even reached 0 point and then we have to return. I hope we don't get stuck on the top. We are somewhere before 0 point and look at this place. I can feel my hands right now. I wore the wind cheater for... I don't know if we can even make it to 0 point, but we'll try our level best. But it's really cold. So finally we are here at 0 point. That is where the road ends now. That is the 0 point placard or stone board or signboard, whatever. So this has been one hell of a journey till now. And it was snowing earlier. I think my camera had captured the footage because it kept on dying. I later realized that the battery is dead. So for now everyone is just a bit exhausted and stuff. That's my bike. Everyone is doing great actually. Not that bad also. But I'll just try to. And it's snowing badly over here. Shoro! इतना ठंडा यहाँ पे, you can't bear it. And my hands are freaking red, man. There's very low visibility over here. The water is damn cold. I am not interested in putting my hand in there. And that is the mountain over there. It's foggy, It's a lot foggy. You can't see the mountain, but there are a lot of peaks. This is good. Finally, 0 point is done and accounted for. Next is Gurudongmar, which we are looking forward to a lot, but I'm very much exhausted with all the riding and stuff and people falling over, but it was a fun journey. I'm sorry if I sound a bit irritating right now, but it was a fun journey and I want to see something. I just left my footprint over here, man. So now it's time for us to leave. No shops open right here, and because of the snow and stuff, so we will head back and maybe pray to God for reaching at time for lunch, because I'm feeling very hungry right now. I don't want to die on the road of hunger. 0 point is covered for. Do share the video with your friends. Like the video if you loved it, and don't forget to subscribe. That is my team over there. A wonderful set of people, and those are the bikes. Wonderful bikes. So see you on our way back.
কৌশিক কেলিয়ে গেছে হাই বলে দাও তো ভাই হাই
It's a 2:45. We halted for a little bit. Arey bond kar na. Halted for a little bit, warming up the engines right now. It's easily it is around in the minus temperature range, and as you can see there is no visibility, like zero. My god, you can't see shit over here. So bad. The visibility is like zero. I didn't expect 0 point to be like this, but still, what you can do. If I would have gotten a clear view of 0 point, then it would have been great, but the weather is not on our side today at this place. So I don't think you are able to see properly because of this fog and stuff. So let the weather clear up. I think it will clear up in another 20 kilometers or so. By the time we reach Yumthang Valley or something, it will clear up by then. So I'll start my recording from there, because I have to this particular road is very difficult right now, and I'm very much exhausted, and it's damn cold over here. Many people told us not to go because the weather above will be very bad, but still we took the risk and we did it, and I'm proud of everyone. So yeah, so far so very good. The view is pretty amazing, but the weather and temperature is not. It started raining again. Well, it's drizzling right now. It's not snowing anymore. That's a good thing. So it's a bit difficult to ride on this terrain with this kind of a temperature and this low visibility, but still we have to return to Lachung. Let's see if we can make it to Lachen, because tomorrow we leave for Gurudongmar. Because if we don't make it to Lachen tonight, then we have to ride for another. We have to leave very early in the morning from Lachung, and then we have to make it to Lachen, and then we have to go to Gurudongmar, and then we will again come back to Gangtok. So that will be a hectic plan. So let's see if we can make it to Lachen. And man, did you enjoy the view? I hope you did. I bet you did. It's fucking snowing again, and I can't bear this anymore. It's too much. Even though I have everything on, it's way too much for me to bear. I don't know what happened. They have stopped suddenly. You can see the snowfall, right? This is nothing actually compared to the foreign countries. ওখানে বস কি
একটু কন্ট্রোল করো, ইজি চলে যায়, টেম্পারেচার ফল্ট হচ্ছে নিচে যত যাচ্ছি। আমরা এখান থেকে আর 10 কিলোমিটার হবে। 10 কিলোমিটার কষ্টকর হয়, ওখানে গিয়ে তো নামটি আরো তাড়াতাড়ি বসে দেবো।
ইউমথাং আছে
নামটি যখন
ইউমথাং 10 কিলোমিটার এখান থেকে।
সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, চাপ বলে ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, হিট গেলে ঠিক।
আরে বডি ঠান্ডা হয়।
কার গাড়ি হিট আছে? আরো গাড়ি হিট নেই।
আমার গাড়ি হিট হবে।
খোল এটা খোল। লাগবে কি হাত দাও, বাবা লোক লাল হয়ে গেছে। গাড়ির ইঞ্জিনে হাতে, গাড়ির ইঞ্জিনে হাতে। সাইডে বড় ফুসকা করে। হ্যাঁ দৌড়। আগুন নাকি?
I'll see you guys later.
Okay, so hi everyone. This is not the footage of Sikkim right now. The footage is I've shot it recently at my home. What exactly happened was when the moment I ended the video, Kaushik was terribly ill, if I may. Then Saptarshi and Arijit, both of them went down, found the nearest house which was available, rested him there. Then again Saptarshi's bike was on that point where we were halting. We halted there for about 1.5 hours if I'm not wrong, and due to that it was very terrible for me also and for the other people to ride in that kind of a condition, because the temperature would be easily around -7 to -10 degrees Celsius. And I'm not kidding, it was exactly like that. There was a snowstorm, there was rains. I'm sweating right now because the fan is off and it's really hot right now in Kolkata. But coming to the topic, so we went down there as fast as possible, which took us like around 45 minutes or so. We had some YY Maggi, which is obviously famous in Sikkim, the YY noodles. If you have not heard about it, you can Google it up. We had that, we got some heat over there, so we rested for about an hour or so. Then again it was around 5 or 5:30 when we left from that place. The place was exactly around 7 to 10 kilometers just before Yumthang, and from Yumthang it would be roughly around 30 odd kilometers or so. I haven't calculated exactly how much kilometers it is. By the time we reached the hotel, it was 8:30 in the night. Around 9 we were all drenched in snow, rain, and I don't know what else. It was a terrible ride. It was a very hectic ride, if I may, because just because that particular time period which we stopped for at 0 point, or rather like 1 or 1.5 kilometers from 0 point. So but the day ended well and the day was good, and I hope you liked the video, liked the footage what you saw. Day 4, it was day 5 will be coming out soon after this one, and yeah, this one came a bit late because it had to be edited perfectly, because this is the main attraction of the whole series, and I don't think that I'm wrong. So yeah, I hope you like the video. I hope you will share this with your friends. I hope you will subscribe to the channel if you like the content that you're really seeing. If you are at this point, then you have already watched it, but if you have already skipped it, then I would suggest you that go back to the starting point of the video and watch the whole video, and I'm sure that you will definitely enjoy it. If there are any mistakes, do let me know in the comment section below. And also, how did you like the video? Do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride hard, ride safe, Gearbred out.